Today I'm going to show you how to make breakfast shrimp on grits. Does that look beautiful or what? And here we go. Okay, to start out, I've got my bag of shrimp here, and I am going to peel and devein these, and I will be right back. Okay, to start out, I'm going to take 1 cup of grits. I got these regular grits. I didn't get the fast ones. Okay, that's 1 cup. And then I'm going to take 2 cups of milk. Okay. I think you're supposed to pour them in there slowly, but I didn't. And then I'm going to take 2 cups of water. I haven't made a lot of grits in my life, so we'll see how this goes. And I'm going to bring that to a boil, and in the meantime I fried 3 strips of bacon, and I am going to cut up this half of an onion, and I'm going to fry it in this bacon grease. This is called breakfast shrimp. And I've got about 1/4 of a green pepper here that I'm cutting up too. I guess it would help if I showed you. And I'm going to put that in my bacon grease. Okay. And then I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to shred my cheddar cheese that I'm going to be putting in these grits. And I also am going to put a 1/2 teaspoon of salt in the grits. So I'm going to take my cheese, shred that up. I'm figuring this will be about 1.5 cups of cheese. I think that'll be good for the grits. Okay. I'm not doing too good on showing you what I'm doing here, am I? Okay. So I've got my cheese, I've got my bacon, got my shrimp, got my green pepper and onion started in my bacon grease. I should probably stir this. It said to stir occasionally, so. Okay, when this gets going and my grits have cooked for about, they said 20 minutes. So when they cooked about 15, I'll get back to you. Okay, my grits are coming along good. We still have a few more minutes. And I'm going to add my shrimp. And I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And a little bit of Tabasco. I like a little heat. All right, so maybe 4 splashes of Tabasco. Turn that up a little bit. Stir my grits here. That Tabasco should give it just the right amount of heat. And the onion and green pepper are going to flavor those shrimp. Those grits look wonderful. I wanted to show you, I keep jars, and I put the rest of the grits in this jar because those packages are so flimsy. And I do the same thing with my rice. I just keep my old jars. You wash them and let them dry thoroughly, and then put your stuff in them. And glass is always a good container to keep things in, you know? Okay. Shrimp are looking good. I usually put Old Bay in my shrimp, but I wanted to try out that bacon flavor with the Tabasco and the onion and the green pepper, just for something different. I always put Old Bay spice in my shrimp, so we'll see what we got here. We call this breakfast shrimp. And I'm going to go ahead and shut that off. And I'm going to add my cheese to my grits. Almost all of it, but I'm going to reserve a little bit for the top because I think it'll look pretty. Stir that in. Cheesy grits. This is Colby Jack cheese. Turns it a pretty color. Did you know that cheese is all really white, but they add coloring to it? It does make it more appetizing with the color, but okay, I'm going to still leave that on low because it said needed about 4 more minutes. And in the meantime, I think what I'm going to do, you can see me, is I think I'm going to chop up my bacon. So it looks kind of crumbly for my top here. This is a different breakfast. It's something different. What the heck, right? Okay. That looks good. Get rid of that. My grits are looking beautiful. Look at that, how creamy they are. With that cheese, yum, yum. Let me taste them here. Like you say, you got a couple more minutes, so I'm gonna let them go a couple more minutes and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna start dishing this up. Take some of my cheesy grits. And I'm going to put some more cheese on them. I'm going to put some bacon on them. Maybe a little more. And then I'm going to put my shrimp on it. Breakfast shrimp. I don't know if it gets any better than this. I think I'll start out with 5. And I'm going to add some of these. I'm not even showing you. I'm going to add some of these green pepper and onion. It said to add butter to the grits, but I think with the bacon grease and everything, I think I'm good. Okay, there is my beautiful shrimp, breakfast shrimp grits. So I hope you enjoyed that. Something different for breakfast, right? And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it. I love the Lord with all your heart. Bye now.